Hello children, good morning to all of you. Today we are going to do the assignments of chapter 5. When we say the assignments of chapter 5, it includes some activity, some exercises and some summary to remember and to keyword to define. So, as the helping material I have given some keywords. As a helping material, I have given you chapter summary. You read this chapter summary. Whatever we have learned in chapter 5 is here. The main points of or the main materials, main points what we learned in the chapter 5 is here in this summary. Heat is a form of energy that gets transferred from a body at a higher temperature to a body at a lower temperature. And you, when I read, you follow me with the words. If you follow, you can read it and understand it very easily. So that is why I am reading here. Each line I am reading here, or each point I am reading here for you. Heat is a form of energy that gets transferred from a body at a higher temperature to a body at a lower temperature. As I have taught you, heat is always transferred from a hot object to a cold object. Heat is a form of energy. That heat is transferred from higher temperature to lower temperature. 2. Second point, heat can be converted into other forms of energy. How heat can be converted into other forms of energy? Heat energy can be converted into mechanical energy. In steam engines, heat energy is converted into mechanical energy. Third point, temperature is an indicator of the degree of hotness or coldness of an object. Temperature is an indicator of degree of hotness or coldness of an object. When a body is heated, various type of physical and chemical changes observed. These are all explained in different slides in different videos. I have explained all these things. If you not remember that, if you are not remembering it, you can revise the slides once again. Thermometer is a device used to measure temperature. Clinical thermometer is used to measure temperature of the human body. These 3 points. See the next point. The range of the clinical thermometer is from 35 degrees Celsius to 42 degrees Celsius, while that of an ordinary laboratory thermometer is minus 10 degrees Celsius to 110 degrees Celsius. This is also given in a video, the difference between clinical thermometer and mercury in glass thermometer, that is laboratory thermometer. The other name of laboratory thermometer is mercury in glass thermometer. The ordinary laboratory glass thermometer is based on the principle of thermal expansion of mercury on heating. So thermal expansion, that means whenever a body is heated, it expands. Under this principle, this ordinary thermometer in laboratory glass thermometer is working on the principle of thermal expansion. There are 3 modes of transfer of heat: conduction, convection and radiation. This is also explained and written. Differences are written in a video, in a slide. That is in a previous video I explained it. You revise that video once again. In solids, heat is generally transferred by conduction. In solids, heat are transferred by conduction. In liquids and gases, heat get transferred by convection. No material medium is required for transfer of heat by radiation. So these are the repetitions. I am repeating these things for you once again. Conduction, convection and radiation, these are the definitions of that. The material which allow heat to pass through them with ease are called conductors of heat. So I also explained once again in a previous video, that conductors and insulators, it is written for you there in a tabular form. Conductors and you must have written that in your copy. These two, 13 and 14 points, in a tabular form I have given in a slide. Materials which do not allow heat to pass through them are called bad conductors or insulators. The cyclic movement of molecules in liquids and gases are known as convection current. Conductors and insulators. The cyclic movement of molecules in liquids and gases are known as convection current. Convection current have significant effect on weather and climate. Land and sea breeze in coastal areas occur due to convection current. When heat falls over an object, some of it is absorbed by the object and some of it get reflected back. Under this rule, under this principle, many things are given below that. Which principle? When heat falls over an object, some of it is absorbed. On any surface, when heat falls, some of it is absorbed and some of it get reflected back. The temperature of an object increases because of absorption of heat. जब heat absorb करता है कोई भी body, उसका temperature बढ़ता है. Temperature of an object increases because of absorption of heat. Dark colored object absorb heat radiations better than light colored object. ये जो absorption होता है heat का, वो dark colored object में ज़्यादा होता है. Dark colored object absorb more radiations than light colored object. And now clinical thermometer keywords. Some keywords are given here. Some keywords are given here. You write it here. Here there is the instruction for you. Write the keywords and their definitions in copy. Copy में आपको लिखना है. There is an activity for you. Activity to show that black object absorb heat better than white object. This is black object. This is black object. Here BI लिखा है. This is BL. Black object. Activity to show that black objects absorb heat better than white objects. Okay, why black objects absorb more heat? Because this is the principle that black color at surfaces absorb more heat than the white. White colored substances or objects reflect more heat, while dark color absorb more heat. To prove that, there is an activity. Take two identical thermometers. These are two identical thermometers. One thermometer is this, another is this. And keep them side by side. Wrap a piece of black paper on the bulb of one of the thermometer and a piece of white paper on the bulb of other thermometer. In one there is a white paper is wrapped, and the next one there is a black paper wrapped. Now keep both of them at equal distance from a fireplace or a lighted up candle. लाइटेड अप कैंडल के अगल बगल में इसको इक्वल डिस्टेंस में लगाना है. वेन एवर यू ड्रॉ डायग्राम्स, you have to draw this diagram along with this activity. You have to draw diagram, and when you draw diagram, you keep in mind that the distance from the flame to white colored wrapped thermometer and distance from the flame to the black colored wrapped thermometer, both should be equal. Flame से black तक का distance and flame से white पेपर तक का डिस्टेंस यानी थर्मोमीटर तक का डिस्टेंस दोनों इक्वल होना ज़रूरी है. So at equal distances you have to place both the thermometers. We observe that the temperature of the thermometer having black paper on its bulb rises faster than that of the other thermometer. This shows that black object absorb more heat better than white object. The temperature reading of black colored thermometer will be more. See, you can see the reading more than the white colored. See, because this white color absorb less heat and this black color absorb more heat. Okay, so you write this activity and draw this diagram. Once again you listen to this point. The distance should be equal from the flame. Both the thermometer, the distance of both the thermometers should be equal on either side of the flame. Okay. Now in another video we can see some more assignments. There are some exercises for you. Now up to here you have to learn the chapter summary, you have to write this activity and you have to write the keywords. In another slide I am giving some more exercises. Okay, till then.